Today, I'm going to introduce to you the new innovations for Arista's cloud-grade routing platform that focus on enterprises, cloud, and carrier networks. The internet that emerged over 20 years ago has evolved rapidly, driven by several important transitions, from the connectivity era that saw the rise of web and e-commerce to a service delivery era driven by a cloud model. And now we are in the cloud-centric phase where service creation, delivery, and experience are all cloud-native. To address the previous transitions, customers increasingly built out multiple routing network architectures with legacy routers and software, each with a different set of orchestration tools, software stacks, and management solutions, resulting in siloed architectures and associated fragile and fragmented operational workflows. There was no operational consistency in the deployments, and customers were blocked from innovations due to inflexible architectures. This approach led to unforeseen consequences. This approach also made the existing routing infrastructures obsolete, as the demand for bandwidth, connectivity, security, resiliency, and to leverage modern operational requirements have exceeded the current legacy models. Arista's cloud-grade routing platform addresses the transitions as well as helping customers modernize routing. The platform is based on cloud principles of scale-out, simplify, and a software-driven approach without the need to build another monolithic router and a new operating system. The cloud-grade routing platform supports a broad range of routing applications: peering, telco NFV data centers, internet exchange, carrier edge, and backbones across multiple customer segments. And the key is the consistent architecture: a common universal cloud network design, a single software image, Arista EOS, common automation framework, and common merchant silicon based on a portfolio of Ethernet platforms. This blueprint adapts to economies of scale while delivering resilience and programmability. Customers now have an alternative to the traditional router vendors with a simplified modern approach to deliver services in an agile manner to differentiate themselves in a highly competitive landscape. Today, we are at the cusp of another wave of routing transitions that new innovations in EOS and the R3 series platforms will drive continued transformations in routing and help customers drive down cost and complexity. The first one, securing enterprise edge and data center interconnects. For enterprises, protecting applications, intellectual property, and business data is a top priority, and encryption of data in transit has become a critical requirement. Traditional approaches have been through dedicated encryption platforms, which come at a high cost and low overall throughput, lagging behind the 100 gig and 400 gig bandwidth demands. Arista's innovative TunnelSec technology addresses these challenges for the next generation enterprise edge. It provides line rate hardware-based 100 gig and 400 gig encryption. It supports IPsec, MACsec, and an innovative new VXLAN sec solution. It removes the need for additional dedicated and costly hardware, providing significantly superior encryption performance and the flexibility to choose the appropriate solution within a single R3 series platform. Extending the simplification to data center interconnect deployments, Arista's R3 series can now be deployed as a single platform, acting as a gateway to connect to separate operational domains, EVPN-based OpenIP fabrics in data center, and MPLS for interconnecting data centers, providing security, reducing cost, and providing operational savings. The second use case is around high-speed multi-cloud connect. Data is now being generated by virtually every device connecting to the net, whether it's a mobile device with multiple applications, or telemedicine, or closed-circuit TV. Cloud operators, carriers, internet exchanges, everyone is building highways to the cloud. These are high-speed cloud connections over 100 gig and 400 gig speeds where possible to transport data securely. And the third use case centers around performance and precision for mobile networks. 5G networks have to support not only the bandwidth and security, but also strict synchronization and timing required by the data-intensive applications such as telemedicine, where patients and doctors consult over video conference, an experience that needs to be as good or better than a face-to-face meeting. To address these new routing use cases, Arista is adding 26 new members of the R3 series portfolio, providing customers with rich capabilities, including integrated tunnel sec, a choice of route scale capacity, dedicated 400 gig optical line system ports, synchronous Ethernet and precision time protocol based timing solutions, and a rich breadth of connectivity options scaling to 576 ports of 400 gig. A range of systems from fixed 7.2 terabits per second in 1U and 2U, a 7280 R3 compact modular router, and expanded choices in the 800 gig ready 7800 R3 series, scaling performance in the R3 series from 1 terabits per second all the way to 460 terabits per second with a single consistent architecture. Our customers have already enjoyed significant success adopting the cloud-grade routing platform for diverse use cases, modernizing the deployments with consistent architecture, a single software binary, common automation framework, and deep programmability. We welcome you to partner with us in your journey to transform routing. To learn more about Arista's cloud-grade routing platform, please visit arista.com. Thank you for your time.